Yeah, I'm here with my older cousin, and she went in here because I forced her, and when I joined, I had no face. So yeah, where are you, Heaven? Why aren't you in the forest or wherever you want? Yeah, I had to restart like millions of times. It's dark. Who's Slenderman? Why are you hurting the dog? Give me Millie. Come on, Millie. Let Millie go. Hi, Millie. Yeah, hi. So 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old, twinkling on my nose. Heaven, where are you? What? How did you do that? How'd you sit down? Oh, I see. Don't you dare, Heaven. Oh, you can change your name? Why isn't it killing me? Uh, what is wrong with your face? It's so spicy. Surrender! Guess dance. Dance virus. A day. No, I'm gonna sit. Heaven, where did you go? You left me. I see you. I can see your name. This isn't really scary. This isn't so scary. You know that, right? This is not scary. The scariest thing in the world is a bush. Remember when we said that? I did it! I hit your head and I got up here. I hit your head and I just glitched up. Haha, I guess I am too good for you. Well, actually, no, I'm not. I'm pretty sure I accidentally cheated. Well, I was actually trying to do that the whole time. I just need to get on your head to get up onto the branches. It's easier to sit down while you're doing it. Oh my god, I almost fell. Oh wait, you can jump up really easily. Just start jumping up it. Like this. I don't want to fall, but okay. Like that. You see, you just start jumping anywhere that you can try. See, like, here. See, stand right here. Or get on my head. Get on my head. See, that's how I did it. But I can't get back up now. I can't get up. So I won't. I can't get up. You're not getting on my head. Prank. Leave me alone! Like a creepy stalker. Jeez. Spin, spin, spin. Spin, spin. Aww. Get off my fat head. I unlocked a new character though. I want to play Movie Star Planet. Please. We're at the beginning. What happens if we follow this trail? Heaven. I wish I had. Ew, you're guest six. You have no face. Let me show you my character. I'm a zombie. No, I got the common. You got the legendary. That's guest 666. Die. Die, Heaven. Put your hands up. Heaven, use the surrender animation. So I can try. It looks like I'm shooting you. Oh my god, now pull out your gun while I do the surrender. I slapped you. The worst thing ever. I gotta run. Just down. Die, die. If you guys don't know who Heaven or XX Scarlet is, XX Scarlet is here, lol. X is my cousin, and she acts like a boy sometimes, but she does. Oh god. Oh no, you left me. Ooh. Come on. I'm a noob. Ew. Cammy, da 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 da. No, I don't want to be a hacker. I'd rather be her. No, I'd rather be Beth. No, I want to be Beth. Heaven, where'd you go? I want to go do something. Characters. I'm being zombie. Where did you go? Heaven. Come on this way. Come on, we're going to play Gas 666. Come on. There's a Gas 666 one. You. Heaven. Be a funny character. Cause all I can be is a zombie right now. Oh, never mind. I can't. I can be whatever I want. You're gonna be a hacker. Really, Heaven? Right now, I'm looking for. Ooh. Don't. Move. This girl needs to back off. Anyways, Heaven. Where the heck are you? XD, come with me. Come on. I'm the girl jumping. I'm Moon. Come on, I can show you where to get the good looks for girls. Wherever you went. Yeah, I know. Yeah, come here, come here. Come here! It's over here. See, your face is gone. Heaven, are you coming? I'm going through the guest 66 portal in 5. That says something. It says Dominus. Heaven, where are you? Come on, you don't have a face, but anyways, let's go through here. Go through the portal first, because I know you're probably going to leave me. How is this guest 6? Oh, because we summon him. Come on. I know how you summon him. You gotta go to that thing. Just, you have no face, so you're not beautiful. Come on, get your lantern out. She's gonna murder me! Before I even summon guest 6, ah! That's not the real guest 66, but it scared me. You go to summon him. If you wanna come help me summon him, I'll be over here. Oh, the real guest 666. He's stuck in midair. Look up. That's where guest 66 is. I don't understand. Psych. Psych. Gummy. I got on from. I got so close. Never. I got up almost. I did it. Oh, stop doing that. You just have to jump on his cap first or his shoulders. You can't even jump on his head. Look. I'm gonna show you. See, you can't jump on him. Okay. This is so unfortunate. Anyways, that's all for today. Dolly out.